This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by heating the sticker gently so the adhesive softens. Hold a hairdryer about 6–8 inches away and move continuously. Once warmed for 20–30 seconds, use a plastic pick or your fingernail at an edge to lift slightly. Make sure to heat again if it resists. Ripping ruins the piece, so be patient and controlled. Clean residue with a cotton swab dampened in 70% isopropyl. Work in small sections to keep pieces safe and avoid warping. Once the old adhesive is gone, you must make the surface perfectly clean and dry so the new sticker bonds. Use isopropyl on a swab or a tiny amount of adhesive remover, then let the plastic air dry completely. If you're using a printed replacement, trim to shape and test, fit without peeling the backing. Align edges visually, then press from one side to avoid air bubbles. You can also use a bone folder or a clean credit card to smooth the decal evenly. After alignment, press the sticker firmly and evenly for at least 30–60 seconds so contact adhesives bond. For vinyl, a brief low heat pass helps set the glue. Once set, consider a tiny coat of clear micro varnish at the edges to prevent peeling during play. If you notice lifting or misalignment, reheat the area briefly and lift carefully. Do not tug. If damage occurred, replace that sticker and repeat the cleaning steps. This restorative loop is often faster than repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.